our particular vibration, how we want, how we feel about patient. There comes the true role of yoga. How calm you are when treating some patient, how calm you are when teaching your students. That is the main goal of yoga. How calm you are in tackling any situation of the yoga. So today we'll not just discuss again and again, we'll experience the live experience of the some postures and different pranayamas. So here we'll just undergo practical conscious experience of the yogic pranayamas and asanas. So here I'll again request you all people, please do not overstretch your muscles. Whatever your muscles are allowing, that much you do. The main thing is keep holding a posture for a while and keep breathing. We are synchronizing breath with our postures. That is our main concept. We no need to stretch more, but whatever the limit is, we have to maintain for certain period of time. Yes. So we'll start with our session. Yes, we will chant 3 times on, then we will go for some asanas. So all are requested to close their eyes. Take a deep breath in and relax. For chant Om, breathe in. Om. Breathe in. Om. Breathe in. Om. Slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes. Okay. Now we will do some asanas, but before that we will warm up our body. Yes, so that no injury will occur. Yes, as you already know, for preventing the injury, warm up is very mandatory. So we'll do just warm up and then we'll go gradually into the asanas. So for half an hour, we'll do various types of asanas practically. So you keep your audio on, video on, and you just see how we can do. If you have any queries, you can type in the chat box. Yes. So all of you can stand up with me. Are able to see me well? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So today we'll start with the power yoga. So what we do, we just lock our hand like this. Okay. Lock our hand like this, and we'll start walking on our place. Okay, you have to just flex your hip joint fully 90 degree and relax. Likewise, you have to walk like a soldier. Yes, all of you. Yes. Yeah, only for a few steps. And how you see? We'll just walk for few steps and you see. See, during this any warm up, any asanas, what we have to take care, how do we feel, how our muscle is giving us experience, is it paining or not? If it is paining, then how much it is paining, which quality it is paining, you just experience. Fully, both the hip joints, you try to flex fully. Only for few minutes, only for a few steps, and keep smiling. First rule is what? Keep smiling. It may be artificial. It's okay. Yes, you can increase your speed. Gradually, you can increase your speed. With the smile. And relax. Okay. Keep both your palms like this. Okay. Now you flicker your first finger, index finger. Just flicker. Flicker your first index finger. All the fingers. Give proper attention to fingers. Give attention to fingers. Wrist joint. Shake your wrist joint. Gradually come to the proximal part. Come to the elbow. Feel the vibration in the elbow. Come to the shoulder. Feel the vibration in the shoulder. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your arm well. Keep smiling. See, these are the things you can do in your daily lifestyle. And slowly, slowly you can take it up to the shoulder level. All of you, shake your arm well. Shake your arm well. Properly do it. Give your 100%. Slowly, vibration are coming to the thorax region. Now back region. And whole body. And relax. Now make your feet closer. Now we will do all the movements synchronized with the breath. Now I am extending my head while taking breath. So with the inspiration, take your head back. As you exhale, come down. Breathe in and breathe out. It is not simple exercise. You feel the movement inside the joint of the cervical. Conscious activation of your proprioceptors. You feel the movement. And relax. Now breathe in. As you breathe out, bend your neck to right side. Slowly breathe in, left side. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, we will do some stretch of trapezius muscle. What you do? Just push your right arm down, take your left palm and slowly stretch to the opposite side. Don't do the overstretching. Okay? Do not do the overstretching. In comfort with you. Keep smiling. And relax. Opposite direction with the opposite hand, you push your left palm below. Slowly use your right palm and slowly stretch to the opposite side. Take a stretch. And okay. Now what you do? Do the retraction of your shoulders. Retractions. Yes. So retraction will stretch the pectoralis muscles and strengthen the adductors of scapulae. Rhomboidus muscles, middle trapezius. Now we'll rotate the shoulder from back to front. See, these are the movement will prevent the frozen shoulder. So you can teach to your patient also, and you can do yourself also for well-being. The smile, keep the smile bigger, stretch your smile. Smile is a first tool, first weapon. You can give success to ourselves and relax. These are the basic things. All can do. Patient also can do. And these are our basics warm-up exercises for maintaining the range of motion. Opposite direction. Now slowly we'll gradually moving into the asanas. Before going for asanas, we'll do some more stretches and relax. We'll do just tricep stretch. Okay, you can give stretch. Yes. For a few seconds, hold it and relax. Opposite direction, opposite hand, opposite shoulder. Push towards backside and feel the stretch. Here all are medicals, so no need to explain much in the detail. And you have to experience only, right? Okay. See, now we'll go for some hamstring movement, hamstring and quadricep stretch. So usually, maximum time our hamstring will be tight. How in the routine you can take it and make it flexible. So what we can do? See, raise your right arm and left arm. So what you need to do slowly and gradually, you do yourself or ask patient to do. You try to kick your right palm with the left foot like this. Slowly, initially, when your hamstring are tight, you can start with the slowly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and relax. Now we'll stretch our quadriceps muscle. You know very well how to stretch it. Slowly. Take it back. Take your thigh back. And keep breathing. In the yoga, it is very mandatory to keep breathing with the postures. And relax. Opposite side. Hold it. Try to touch your heel to your buttocks. Take it back. Feel the stretch. Hold it. And relax. Okay. Now rotate our spine back. Rotate our back. Just free exercise. And relax. Now we are coming into the asanas. Okay, first we'll do Tadasana. Tad is like a tall tree. So what we do? We stretch our both the palms like this. We interlock our fingers. Make it stretch. Come up, and then slowly you can come to the your forefoot. Hold it there. Hold it there. With the smile. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. And relax. Again, stretch, stretch, stretch up, 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 up. Hold it there. Keep breathing, and relax. Now only arm will go up. Only stretch your palms up. Keep breathing. As you exhale, bend your body towards right side, right side. Left side, bend towards the left side. Keep smiling in this posture. And come up again, stretch, stretch, stretch. And as you come down, bend from the back. Bend from the back. Yes, you can swing your body right to left and left to right, up to down, down to up. And relax. Yeah. Now we'll do Vrukshasana. Vrukshasana will give you a tremendous energy and will sharpen your intellect. So how we can do? And it will activate our balancing system. Yes. So first we will fix our gaze to floor and put your right thigh into the left groin. Yes. And maintain the posture. Then slowly and gradually with breathing, we'll take our both the arm up. We'll do Namaskar Mudra. And keep breathing. Your eyesight just at the floor level. Keep breathing, keep breathing. All of you are doing well, very well. Stretch up, up, and slowly relax. Opposite. Yeah, very good. With the breathing, take our both the palms up. Do the Namaskar Mudra. Left heel into the right groin. Try to balance your body. Your sight on the floor. Stretch up fully and relax. See, these are the postures. It will make our spine erect and prevent the deformities, like kyphoscoliosis and all. Okay. Now, what we do? Gradually take your both the palm over the hip. Inhale, breathe in, and as you breathe out, slowly you can go down, but keep breathing, keep breathing. As you breathe in, come on. Again we'll do breathe in. As you breathe out, go down, go down. And relax. Okay. Now stretch your both the feet like this. Yes. Now what you have to do? Gradually stretch your both the palms. Yes. Now, like you are blessing to somebody, stretch your palm like this, stretching of the forearm. Take your right foot to the right side, and slowly, as you are pushing the wall, go right side and hold it. Hold that postures and keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. Inhale, and as you exhale, left side, opposite side. Yes. Hold that position, keep breathing, keep breathing. Now again, with the breath in, we try to touch your left feet with the right palm, just like that. And see the left palm. As you inhale, come up. As you exhale, come down. Opposite side. Try to touch your right palm. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, and relax. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll do some asanas in the sitting position. So all of you can sit in your yoga mat. Okay. So now what we'll do? With the smile, we'll do butterfly pose. In the butterfly pose, there is stretching of the adductor muscles. So keep your spine erect and fly like a butterfly. Yes, fly in the sky like a butterfly. With the smile, breathe in, and as you breathe out, try to touch your nose to your feet. Feel the stretch in the groin. Keep breathing. Breathe in. Again, as you breathe out, try to touch your nose to your feet. As you breathe in, come up and relax. Now you hold your feet in a way that we can mobilize our hip joint. You see, I'm taking my leg in this way and I'm moving like I'm holding a child. With a smile. Yes. Very nice. All are doing very good. And relax. Okay. Other leg. Try to hold in this way. Yes. Feel the movement in the hip joint. Feel the movement in the hip joint. And relax. We'll come into the Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, or Sukhasana. What we'll do? Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, try to touch your nose to your floor. It's okay if you are unable to touch your nose to your floor. But feel the stretch in the back. As you inhale and relax. Slowly, we can take both our arm up, stretch our body up fully, stretch our body up fully. And as you exhale, come down. Okay, now we will do some asanas over the belly and back. Okay, then we'll go further about the, we'll experience some pranayama also. So you just lie on your belly. Okay, we'll just try to lie down on your belly. Are you able to see me properly? Okay, keep your both the palm side by. As you inhale, take your right hip up. Ardha Salbhasana with right leg. And keep breathing. Feel the tension in the right gluteus. As you exhale, come down. Inhale, opposite leg, left leg. Keep breathing, keep breathing. As you exhale, take it down. Now make a fist, thumb inside the fist, just below the thigh. We'll do Purna Salbhasana. Raise your both the legs up. Raise your both the legs up. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. And relax. Now take your both the palm near to your shoulder joint. As you inhale, raise your head and shoulder and thorax. Try to touch, try to see the sky and keep breathing. Keep breathing. Hold that position. And relax. Okay, see, we'll do the Superman pose. Viprit Salbhasana. Stretch your both the arms front. As you inhale, raise your both the legs and both the arms up like a Superman. And keep breathing. It is very difficult to hold, but hold as much as you can. And relax. Now we'll do just Vishram in the Makrasana. Makrasana means what? Vishram position like a crocodile. We'll do the Vishram in crocodile position. And relax. Just lie on your back. Lie on your back. Now we'll do just Naukasana. Like we are doing abdominal exercise, we will do Naukasana. Naukasana is very difficult to hold. You have to just hold this position and keep breathing. Keep breathing. And relax. Now we will do Pawan Muktasana with right leg. Take your right leg, knee and hip bend. Try to take your knee towards your nose. Try to touch your nose to your knee joint. Hold it there. Keep breathing. Maintain your left leg in a straight position. As you inhale, take your head back and relax. We'll do with the opposite leg. Slowly take your knee to your chest. Try to touch your nose to your left knee joint. Keep doing Ardha Pavan Muktasana with left leg. For gas trouble, it is very important to bring the unwanted gases in the abdomen. As you inhale, come down. Again, as you exhale, take your both the legs. Try to touch your nose in between the two knees. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Breathe in and relax. Okay, now we'll just do the Savasanas. Lie down on your place in this Savasana. It's like a dead man posture. The feet apart and palm facing towards the sky. Keep relaxing your body. We will do Yoga Nidra. Maintain your closed eyes. All are requested to lie down and maintain the closed eyes. Maintain the closed eyes. Keep relaxing. Keep relaxing. Now we'll do Yoga Nidra. With your closed eyes, just take your attention to the right foot. Take your attention to the right foot. Right knee joint. Right thigh. And whole of your right leg. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your attention to the left foot. Left knee joint. Left thigh. and whole of your left leg. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your attention to your navel region, umbilical region. Stomach, chest, right shoulder, and whole of your right arm, left shoulder, and whole of your left arm. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your attention to the neck region, cervical region, face, head, and whole body. Take your attention to the whole body. Relax your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly and gradually, you can turn to your right side and you may sit up. Become aware of your body and surroundings. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, take your both the palms towards the eye, and in the palm, slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes. Very slowly, take your own time. Take your own time. And gradually, you may open your eyes. Good morning. All the participants, how do you feel? Was it good? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes,
You may
sir.
switch on, you may switch on your video so we can have some two-way communication, interaction will be there. Very good. Okay. Now, you see why we are doing this yogas. Our main aim is to increase our energy. See, when we try to do something. We have some intention to do something. Sometime it will work, sometime it will not. So what is the main aim by doing yoga? When we increase our energy, things happen effortlessly. Things happen effortlessly. So we have a three body. What you are seeing, this is physical body. We have a subtle body, 5 times bigger, that made up of mind, intellect, and ego. And moreover that, we have a causal body that is related to self. Sometimes we say that we have a good amount of self-esteem. What is self-esteem? That is our power of ourself. So when we do this yoga, our inner power will increase. When you touch some patient, you are feeling that I have treated that patient. No, we are not treating. Our energy, our vibration will touch the patient and patient will heal. Automatically that will get the work properly. So we are not doing, our energy is doing. So that is why we are going for this. So we have a 7 layers: body, breath, mind, intellect, memory, ego, and self. So various levels we are working. So we have work on body, then we are going for mind, then breath, then gradually we'll go ahead. So now we'll learn and experience a simple technique which will give you a tremendous energy. So sometimes you feel that, okay, I'm feeling down, I'm feeling low. So at that time, what you can do? A simple technique will give you a very much intense amount of energy and freshness. So what you can do? You can do 3 sets of 10 to 15 times repetition of this particular technique, which I am showing you. All together will do it. Yes, that is called as a fast pranayama, like very fast breath with the synchronize with the movement of your wrist joint. See, all of you do it together. It's like that. Now, as we inhale and fill our lungs with the air, and as we exhale, we have to throw it like this. All of you do it together. And relax. Feel the energy in your body. Feel the vibration in your palm, arm, shoulder, and head. Breathe in and breathe out. Another 2 rounds. We'll do it together with the closed eyes. I'll take a position. Breathe in. And relax. Keep your palms on the knee joint towards the sky. Relax. Feel the energy in and around the palm. Maintain the closed eyes. See, our eyes are the one who can conserve our energy. When we open our eyes, we loses our energy in the external environment. Again, last round. Take up the position with the closed eyes. All together. Breathe in. And relax. Feel the vibration. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the energy in your body. Slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes. How do you feel? Good? Okay, now we'll learn about another technique that is called as a straw breath. How we take coconut water from the coconut, we are taking the air in with the air. The coconut water is also coming inside. So likewise, but we have to exhale the flow. See, we are taking breath in through the nose, and when we exhale our breath, inspiration and expiration both should be from that straw. Yes. So make your lip like a pursed. How you do the pursed lip breathing? Yes. As you breathe in, take it back. Breathe in and breathe out through the pursed lip only. In the pursed lip breathing exercise, we take a breath in through nose and exhale through mouth. Here, what we do? We inhale and exhale both through the pursed lip. That is like a straw. Breathe in. As you exhale, it will calm our body. It will relax our body. It will exhale our heat. By making lip pursed, exhale, inhale, exhale, again 2 times. exhale, and relax. See, these are the straw breath. It is very important in taking your mind from the other environment and keeping concentrated one place. Now we learn about the Shitali Pranayama. In the Shitali Pranayama, what do we do? We inhale and exhale through the what? Lip. Make your tongue roll like this. Taking breath in through the tongue and exhale through the tongue. Yes? Look. Sit erect, spine erect. Breathe in. And feel the calmness in the mind. See the thirst satisfying. And relax. Okay. Now, today we'll learn about the two important pranayamas. First is Bhastrika pranayama. The Bhastrika pranayama is known as the bellow breaths. Bellow breaths, it means our lungs will inhale maximally and exhale maximally. It is very simple, yet it is very effective. So if we all can do it together, it will generate the maximum energy. Yes. So what we need to do simple. We'll just bend your elbow like this. Simple way. Okay. All of you. See the instructions. As we inhale, as I will give you command, in, both the palm will go up and will open. As we inhale, our palm will go up and open. As I come down, as my palm will come down near shoulder, I will exhale maximally, forcefully. I will show you 5 times, then we'll do together. Yes. Inhale. And relax. This is relaxed position. Yes. Both the palm facing the sky over the knee joint. Keep relaxing. So for 2 rounds, we'll do this Bhastrika and we'll maintain our close eyes. Okay, we'll do it together. Okay, all we'll do together. You can see in the screen. First, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. All together, Bhastrika. In. and relax. Maintain your closed eyes. Feel the energy inside your body. Excuse me. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. One more round we'll do together. Take up the position. Breathe in and breathe out. All together. Bastrika in. And relax. Maintain your closed eyes. Maintain the closed eyes. Keep relaxing. Keep relaxing. Keep relaxing. Now we'll do a short meditation. Maintain your closed eyes. Whatever the sound coming from the environment, just take your attention there. Whatever the sounds are coming from the environment, take your attention there. Breathe in and breathe out. Birds noise, vehicle noise, any sounds coming from the environment, just listen to that. Accept all the noises coming from the environment. Become one with all the noises. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your attention to your right leg. Just simple, take your attention there. No need to move body. Take your attention to the left leg. Umbilical region, thorax, right arm and left arm. Take your attention to the neck region, cervical region, face, head, and whole body. Whole body. Breathe in and breathe out. Whatever the thoughts are coming into your mind, let them come. Do not resist any thoughts. Let them come and go. Whether it is good thought or bad thought, do not resist. Let go your all the efforts. For time being, we are not interested to do anything. We do not want to listen anything. We do not want to touch anything. We do not want to see anything. We are nothing. Just time being, let go your efforts. Relax your whole body. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Become aware of your body and surroundings. Become aware of your body and surroundings. And whenever you feel complete, whenever you feel like gradually, slowly take your both the palms over the eyes, and slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So how do you feel now?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Good?
Full of energy, sir.
Yeah. So if you have any questions, we have a 10 minutes to discuss about. So if you have any queries or if you want to ask something, so you can ask. Bridges sir, any queries?
No questions are there, sir.
Okay, okay. So very good. If you want to share your experience, so you can share. If you want to share experience, then you can share. How do you feel? You can give a feedback.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Yes, tell.
Sir, myself, Rathod Karan Kumar. I am and right now passing a physiotherapist. And sir, I just know that there is yoga classes on this day and started. And sir, whenever એટલે હું સર જ્યારે જાગું ને ત્યારે સર આમ આળસુ એકદમ ફીલ થાય પણ આ એનર્જાઇઝ ફૂલ છે.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
થેન્ક યુ સર.
Very good. See, we all are made up of 7 layers: body, breath, mind, intellect, memory, ego, and self. And we have 3 bodies. This is physical body, subtle body, and causal body. Sthul sharir, shukshma sharir, and causal body. So with the causal body, you no need to communicate with the words. And somebody, like if we go near to some teacher, we feel like being with them. And or some people like that, we don't want to be with them. So they are the vibrations. The vibration will catch us. So as our sattva increases, all the people will come near to you, or you can attract somebody, or you, if you have an increase of sattva, you can your work will be easily fulfilled. They say in the Sanskrit that with the sattva vriddhi, there will be a sankalpa siddhi. If you want to wish something, you have to increase your sattva. Yes, so sattva will be increasing with this yoga and pranayama, and especially meditation. All must do the meditation. Like, see, if we don't do our dental hygiene, if we don't brush our day, what will happen? It will have a smell. But same like with the mind, if you don't wash your mind, if you don't clean your mind, how will you feel? Very dirty. Same way, every day the pranayama will clear your lungs, Same way, meditation will clear some memories for the past and clear your vision in the further. So don't have any prejudice, craving, aversion. You can have a better vision further. So it is like a mental hygiene. We all must do mental hygiene some time a day, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. See, like 20 minutes of meditation will give you 4 hours of sleep energy. Yeah. So like this way. Okay, if you respected participant, if you have any queries, any doubts, so you can ask us. Dr. Jai, Dr. Neha ji, Dr. Satyavani ji, Dr. Apsa ji, Drashti ji, Ankit, Dr. Niti ji. If you have any doubts, so we can discuss. Or if you want to give some feedback, if you have, then you can give. Yeah, thank you, Dr. Radhika. Yes. So see, feedback form will be given to you. So you can fill the feedback form, and we will issue the certificate also on behalf of Harivandana Physiotherapy College. So again, I think all are fine. So if you have any feedback, you can give. So on behalf of Harivandana Physiotherapy College, myself, Dr. Hemang, again, I'm thankful to you all. You all have cherished this moment. So for on this occasion, again, I thank you all. Yes, thank you very much. If you have any queries, you can share with us. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, sir. It was very energetic session. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, Radhika.
Thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful session and guiding us about that what is the importance of yoga in our day-to-day life, and sharing your wonderful knowledge regarding this. Thank you so much once again, and thank you all the participants for joining this session and making this session wonderful. If you have any query regarding that, regarding this session, okay, you can direct message us and direct contact. Our number is already shared to you people through that email, so you can contact us. We will revert back with your answer. Thank you so much for everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, it was very
Thank
good
you, sir.
experience. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Niti madam. Thank you very much.